Hello, you're welcome to Xenea Wallet. So Xenea Wallet TGE is around the corner and they are about to list now and they are doing wallet connection now. Very wallet connection are presenting now. So what you have to do now, if you have not seen this wallet connection and you open, so all what you have to do is to update your wallet, your version. The Xenea Wallet update your version. And there are so many errors that are also coming. People have been trying this thing to do it. Error has been coming in one place or the other. So what you have to do, let's start, and you see that those error will what? Will wipe off. I'm going to show you from starting to the end of their error will wipe off. All what you have to do, just click on update. Now let's update the app now. Just click update. Immediately you update the app, you see that everything will come up. What you see now, you see that the Xenea Wallet is about to list because the platform is going to change entirely. You can see it's updating now. Just wait, it's installing now. On the way of installation, it's installing now. So it has updates. You just see open and it's opening now. Let's see. You can see we have 13 days for this update to work. We have 13 days. So we have 13 days for this thing to work. And we have 30 days. That 30-day period of that 13 days is for this update. Let's end this update end in 30 days. All what you have to do, gens campaign still ongoing. Get 2,000 gens by setting up your wallet. This is wallet connection and it's going to be lasting for 13 days. And immediately after 13 days, it's going to end. So what you have to do now is just to just click now. So what you say, wallet Web3 wallet for the new era, achieve both high securities and superior usabilities. So enter the invite code if you have anyone set up or login. Let's see, login now. Continue. Okay, let's see what's going on. Wow, that is great. You can see, say your total currency reward is this and every other thing. Welcome back. Let's click continue. Please just follow the process. Click continue. And this will just say, I have already accepted policies and privacy. Just click continue. The setup based securities. Under the setup based security, you see basic security to creating of a wallet. Just click continue. Then a pin, it says set up a pin now. When you're setting up a pin, you just have to set up I think 6-digit pin. Great, set up a biometric, which is your fingerprint. Great, just click continue. In this part, just click asset, then create your wallet. In this other part, just choose a wonderful question for it. So immediately you come over to this page, you can see there are two things here, recommended and not recommended. But under the not recommended, it's not working now, right now. I don't know if yours will work. So let's try if mine will work at this point. And just click on it. Or the not recommended, you can just go ahead and click on the not recommended. Okay, as I click on not recommended, let's click continue. As this place, let's say vote to confirm. I have to vote to confirm. Now processing. You see now processing. Let's see. Let's wait a little longer for the now processing. You see, do not close the application or disconnect from the network. Okay. Just wait a little longer. It will process and everything will be done. Let's see that it might take longer, but immediately after this one, that is all. You see that your wallet will be created and congratulations will be given to you. That is all. Wallet will be created and congratulations will be given to you. So the next thing now is an update on how you are going to claim, you are going to go into TGE and the rest. This is all about Xenea Wallet. I believe they are not mining again. So please stick to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and every update you need about Xenea Wallet will come up. Thank you. Let's just still wait if at all is going to come up to that angle.